So we just got to the Oddfellows home. We set up a gear room in the orphanage behind me. I think right now what we should do is just go explore this place as a group. Here's the hospital.
It's way over here. You're serious?
Apparently there is something very dark in this hospital. People have said to be chased out by shadow figures.
Oh my gosh, this is super rundown.
I'm gonna put my mask on.
Is there anyone down here? I don't feel good about this place. Whoa.
Did you hear that?
Right above us.
That was a loud thud right above us.
Shh.
How do we get upstairs?
Right behind you, back towards the front.
We should just check. Hello, can you make another noise?
We heard you. Can you do it again?
Can you make that noise again?
It definitely came from up here. It's creepy too because we were only in here for like a minute before it started. That was high pitched. Like metal.
That was literally like metal dropping on the ground.
Before it started.
Whoa!
It started.
Whoa!
What the hell was that?
Let's just keep going to where the noises are.
Dude, what the hell was that?
I mean, part of the building is totally outside right now. It's like every time when we least expect it, there's a noise.
Can you make a noise in which direction you want us to go?
This is the first building we've been in, and I am so freaked out.
Like, is it just waiting for us now? Like, what do you think's happening?
Either there's just a lot of natural noises here, but we've never been to a building that has made...
Holy the glass just broke!
Glass just broke.
Holy crap.
Can you see what window it came from?
No.
No, a lot of the windows have broken glass on them. Dogs are barking.
Dogs are barking super loud right now. Hello?
Okay, what the hell?
Have we looked in every room?
I'm looking now.
Just make sure there's no one in any of these rooms.
There's nowhere else to look.
I just feel like there's someone in here. With the amount of noises we're hearing, it sounds like someone is in the building.
I disagree. It is impossible for a person to move from one side of the building to the other so fast.
What do you want to do, Alex? What should we do?
I mean, maybe we whip out the Ovilus and ask some questions, see if we can get any answers to the noises we've been hearing.
If there's somebody here with us and you can hear my voice, you can come and use this thing that's in my hand, and you can talk to us. You can choose one word at a time. We know that you're here. We could hear you. We heard a metal pipe. We heard glass breaking.
If there's a dark entity here, why are you here? Why this hospital?
We're gonna be here all night. Do you have any type of warning for us? What?
Property.
Property. Were you buried on this property?
Were you someone who stayed here, or were you a part of the Oddfellows?
I want to know what the agenda of this organization was. Like, what was the true agenda?
I mean, it's weird because the Oddfellows, like, their whole motto was peaceful. Like, it was supposed to be a community thing. They're taking in people, orphans, but then you throw in, like, weird rituals and...
I cannot believe that people would actually donate their body back to this society when they died.
Especially with them knowing what it was used for.
Like, what are the things that they had to follow? Like, things that are unwritten, but people just know.
So I feel like this place has already been so active. It's got a whole different type of energy than we're used to. They're owls?
That sounded like multiple owls.
Talking about a secret society and owls start freaking
Outside.
outside.
What?
What the hell, dude? That was like multiple owls.
Yeah.
I did not like this at all.
Freaking creepy, man.
It's a really creepy time to hear owls.
Person. Swear to God.
Yep.
Person.
Grab my camera.
Holy crap, there is. I see him. There's someone right here.
A person just ran across.
Guys.
There's like someone sneaking on. Wedge's out light. You see that? Right? There's someone actually outside.
Lights down, Jones. Dude, there is someone right there.
They're in the tree line.
He's in the woods. He's in the woods. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
In the woods.
It's getting closer.
They're in the woods.
Dude, Dakota.
Hello? Yeah, there he is. Yeah, he's in the trees.
Hey!
He's running.
I lost him.
Hello?
What the hell? It was just one person.
Yeah, just one person. He ran into these woods.
Like, what is his intentions? It's one person breaking into the building.
Like, they could come in at any time right now.
I find it very odd that we were barely getting anything on the Ovilus, and the only two things that we got were outside and property, and then someone comes onto the property, almost like it was protecting us. I'm not kidding.
Yeah, no, that's a really good point.
I would like to do like a property like search, just like a quick sweep around, just to make sure we're okay.
It was right here in these woods.
Like, this is so thick.
Whoever that was not worried about getting hurt. They were like, I don't know, like I wouldn't run through these woods. These are thick.
Oh my gosh.
I don't see anything, guys. Whoever it was, they either are still here and is hiding or they dipped out, but I just don't know.